As a business owner, your tax bill at the end of each year can sometimes be daunting, but it doesn't always have to be. Here are a few simple things that you can do to keep your tax bill as low as possible. Each year, HMRC allows up to £300 worth of gifts to be bought for each of the directors and calls them trivial gifts. The whole amount is tax deductible and the VAT can also be fully reclaimed. You can also spend £300 on any family members as long as they are an employee. However, just remember that HMRC always like to have proof of everything, so whenever you buy anything, make sure that you keep accounting records that clearly show the £300 exempt amount has not been exceeded. Buying gifts for staff and customers. Buying gifts for both staff and customers is tax deductible as long as you meet the criteria for them both. For staff members, the amount spent per employee has to be less than £50 each. The gift is not allowed to be either cash or vouchers. For customers, the amount spent per customer is £50 or less, and the gift is not allowed to be alcohol, tobacco or food. The company name also has to be visible on the gift itself. Throughout the year, you're able to spend up to £150 per person for your employees, and the whole amount is tax deductible. You can also reclaim the VAT. The amount is not just limited to one event either, such as a Christmas party. You can have as many parties and nights out as you want, as long as the total amount for the year doesn't exceed the £150. By using an accounting software, it is able to prepare and file your returns online whilst also backing up the filings with accuracy. This enables you to relax that all your tax is being calculated right and protecting you with the proof. This may relieve the stress and the pressure of working it all out yourself, giving you more time to work on the things that you are good at and you enjoy. In small businesses especially, there are always little jobs that need to be done. These can be carried out by family members and their children. If they are ages 13 and older, you can save tax by adding them to the payroll. If you are working from home, then you are eligible to claim a tax deduction to cover as part of your home running costs. HMRC allows £4 a week allowance without asking for any evidence. However, if you think this should be higher for you, depending on the amount of time you are spending working at home, then you are able to make a bigger claim. As always though, make sure that you are able to prove it. By running your own vehicle costs, then claiming back the mileage using HMRC's mileage allowance, you're able to save more rather than just claiming back the petrol you have paid. If you are a limited company, this will also help you avoid higher tax on the company cars. The rate is 45p per mile for the first 10,000 miles each year and then 25p after that. What a lot of people don't know is that you can also reclaim the VAT on this. All in all, there are a lot of savings, and as an accountant it is our job to make sure you get them all. I hope you found this useful. If you would like to know more, please get in touch using the details below.